Well, hello and welcome to this course all about Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency. First of all, don't worry if you know absolutely nothing about this topic, or if you're not particularly technical or computer savvy. In fact, you are the very person this course was designed for. In this course, we will take you from a position of knowing nothing about blockchains, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency to one of you having an in-depth understanding of how this technology works, of the crypto industry in general, how you can participate in this really exciting new field. We're going to do all this using plain English, with as few technical terms and as little jargon as possible. Now, if you already have some background knowledge about cryptocurrency, then the lessons are broken down by individual subjects, so you can easily skip anything you're already familiar with and move on to the lessons that interest you. So, unless you're already a cryptocurrency guru, there should be something of use to you in this course. Now, this course is a living piece of work and was originally written and filmed in early 2022. As with all the courses I make, I will keep this course up to date with new and revised content as new developments in cryptocurrency take place. So this course should always be current, topical, and up to date. I promise not to leave this course on the shelf to get old and out of date, as unfortunately some instructional online content can be. In this course, we will look at the concepts and technology that make cryptocurrencies possible, explain the problems this technology sets out to solve, and look at how you can safely buy, sell, trade, and profit from cryptocurrency. Once you understand the concepts behind crypto, everything will make a lot more sense to you than perhaps it does today. And don't worry, these concepts are very simple and straightforward. Later in the course, we'll show you how to find and evaluate potential crypto coins that may be worth investing in. We'll discuss how you can make those investments in a way that minimizes and identifies the various risks and issues that come with any investment, but particularly a cryptocurrency investment. We will spend time discussing how to trade cryptocurrency. We will also look at the exploding world of crypto finance options which offer you passive income without the risk of having to trade your assets, where you can buy a cryptocurrency and receive regular financial rewards just for owning it. These passive investment options are a relatively new development that have taken off in the last year or two, and in this course we will go into them in detail. Finally, we will spend time discussing how you can ensure that your cryptocurrency investments, which in many cases are anonymous, can be safely passed to your loved ones should something unexpected and unfortunate ever happen to you. At the end of this course, you will have a solid grasp of the concepts involved in cryptocurrency. You will be able to independently research and evaluate crypto projects to identify the promising ones and be able to safely make and manage your crypto investments. Let me make an important point about this course right now. Whilst we will tell you how to buy cryptocurrency and identify potential investments, we are not going to tell you what to buy or when to buy it. And this is a point I will keep coming back to in this course, but I want to discuss it at this early point right now. There are a lot of self-styled advisors and influencers in the crypto space today, and of course, I'm just one of those myself. But please, as a rule, be wary of people that have a hot tip for you, or that promise you guaranteed profits or ways to easily fund your retirement. Sadly, and all too often, these people do not have your best interests at heart, and you should approach every crypto hot tip with caution. I say this now just in case you encounter one of these individuals whilst you're still taking the course, but before you and I have had a chance to discuss how such people's conflicts of interest can cost you your hard-earned money. Okay, before we continue, let me stress one more thing. My job is to demystify the world of cryptocurrency and help you get familiar with the concepts involved. However, I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this course should be considered financial advice. Which is why in this course we show you how to do your own independent research into crypto projects, companies, and potential investments, so you will know how to evaluate which cryptocurrencies can potentially meet your investment objectives. Okay, so here endeth lesson number 1. With all this said, let's jump into the next lesson and discuss the underlying technology that powers the world of cryptocurrency. By that, I mean blockchains. What are they? Why are they so powerful? And how can blockchains revolutionize so many of the things we do today? Thank you very much for your time. I'm excited you chose to take this course. And when you're ready, I will see you in the very next lesson. Thank you very much.